Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install HubSpot for CRM, beginner guide step by step. To install HubSpot for CRM, first, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the HubSpot website by entering www.hubspot.com in the address bar. Once the page loads, locate the Get Started Free button on the homepage. Click on the Get Started Free button to initiate the sign-up process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in your email address and click on the Continue button. Next, you'll receive a prompt to create a password for your account. Enter a strong password that meets the security requirements. Then, click on the Create Account button. After creating your account, check your email for a confirmation message from HubSpot. Open the email and click on the confirmation link provided. You will be redirected back to HubSpot's setup page. Now, fill in your details, including your first name, last name, and company name. Continue by selecting your job title from the drop-down menu. Once completed, click on the Next button to proceed. You will then be asked about your business needs. Choose the options that best align with your requirements. After completing the survey, click Next to continue. Next, provide the address of your business. Fill in the required fields, including street address, city, and zip code. Click on the Next button to move forward. You will be asked to select your preferred currency. Choose your currency from the drop-down menu and click Next. Now, it's time to set up your HubSpot account features. Follow the on-screen instructions to customize your account settings. Once you've completed the setup, click on Finish Setup to finalize. Congratulations! Your HubSpot CRM is now installed and ready for use. Explore the dashboard to familiarize yourself with its features. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.